The DJI S2S Drone is an advanced RC helicopter that offers several high-end features. Here's a detailed review. Key features. 8K HD dual camera. Main camera, captures stunning high-resolution photos and videos. Secondary camera, provides additional angles and perspectives, enhancing the overall shooting experience. Brushless motor, provides more power and efficiency compared to brushed motors. Ensures longer flight time and quieter operation. Increased lifespan and reduced maintenance. Obstacle avoidance. Equipped with sensors to detect and avoid obstacles. Enhances flight safety and reduces the risk of crashes. Foldable design. Compact and portable, making it easy to carry and store. Ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Performance. Flight time. The brushless motors and efficient battery management allow for longer flight times. Stability. Equipped with advanced stabilization technology, ensuring smooth and stable flight even in windy conditions. Control. Responsive and precise controls, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. Camera quality. The 8K HD camera delivers high-quality images and videos, suitable for professional use. Dual camera setup allows for creative shooting options and better coverage. Usability. Ease of use, intuitive controls and user-friendly interface. App integration. Compatible with DJI's app, offering additional features like real-time video transmission, flight path planning, and more. GPS enabled for accurate positioning and return-to-home functionality. Pros. High-quality 8K camera for professional-grade footage. Reliable and powerful brushless motors. Effective obstacle avoidance system. Compact and portable design. Cons. Potentially higher price point due to advanced features. May require some initial learning for beginners to fully utilize all features. Conclusion. The DJI S2S Drone is a feature-packed quadcopter suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. Its 8K camera, brushless motors, and obstacle avoidance technology make it a top choice for those seeking a high-performance drone. The foldable design and ease of use further enhance its appeal, making it a versatile and valuable tool for aerial photography and videography.